In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you do find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick tutorials just like this. Now, if you want to go ahead and reactivate your account anytime in the future, you are able to do so, so just keep in mind that this isn't technically permanent, but you are able to temporarily deactivate it. And to do so, first, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And from your profile page, go ahead and tap on these three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. From your settings and activity, go ahead and select Account Center up at the very top, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. From the Account Center page, which you should be on now, go ahead and scroll down until you see this little personal details section here. Go ahead and select it, and then select Account Ownership and Control, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select Deactivation or Deletion, and then go ahead and choose whatever account you are looking to deactivate. In this case, I'm going to use this one here. It's going to say confirm your information to continue, hit OK. And then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you'll be prompted to select your account. Go ahead and hit continue through this page. Just make sure you select deactivate account. Type in your password here and you are good to go. It'll ask you to confirm your decision one more time. Choose a reason for deactivation, and when you're sure, simply go ahead and tap deactivate. And your account is now going to be hidden until you log back into it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.